At Inductive Automation, we know that every industry is unique. Each company has different processes, locations, systems, users, devices, budgets, and data collecting needs. That's why we created Ignition, which can easily be customized to fit just about any industrial process, big or small. With the standard architecture, you can install the Ignition gateway to a central server in minutes. From there, you can instantly add powerful modules to build a system with the exact functionality you need. Connect to all your PLCs and industrial devices through OPC UA. Connect to any SQL database and turn it into a high-performance tag historian for logging time series data. Fully synchronize and integrate the data between your PLCs and databases. See and control your processes in real time with powerful HMIs and dashboards, and deploy them instantly to any device with a web browser. Manage and send alarm notifications, create and deliver dynamic database-driven reports, or get mobile access to your control systems via smartphones and tablets. Every module works seamlessly together and can be installed, upgraded, or removed without impacting your operations. Instantly update all clients at the same time through the server without manual backups. You can even add a redundant backup server that is aware of all connections and copies of projects, so you'll never have to worry about losing screens or data if the main server ever goes down. If you have thousands of users with massive amounts of data, then the scale-out architecture is a perfect solution. Split the workload between multiple gateways, dedicating some gateways to handling the tag and I/O data from devices, and other gateways to handle the front-end client applications. When tag counts get too large, add another I/O server, and when client counts get too large, add another front-end server behind a load balancer. Use the hub and spoke architecture to link multiple local and remote sites or spokes together from your central Ignition gateway using LAN, WAN, or the cloud. Each site can be fully independent with an Ignition gateway dedicated to data logging. Each site can operate its own history, alarms, and clients while still connected to the central gateway where you have the power to do real-time status control, get real-time tag values, and store and query historical data. Even with gateways spread across vast distances, you can securely synchronize and manage all Ignition installations with the Enterprise Administration module. With the IIoT architecture, Ignition can live on and collect data from any field device at the edge of your network. Make the industrial Internet of Things a reality by using Ignition and the MQTT protocol to decouple devices from applications. Use Ignition and MQTT to publish data to a central broker and push that data to subscribed industrial and line of business applications anywhere. Build out an end-to-end IIoT architecture that makes your industrial data instantly accessible to the entire enterprise without straining data bandwidth. No matter what your architecture needs are, big or small, Ignition's got you covered. When you combine the Ignition platform with the full suite of powerful modules, the possibilities for SCADA, MES, alarming, IIoT, and reporting solutions are endless. Deploy it anywhere, use it everywhere. Ignition by Inductive Automation.